Hello friends, welcome you all in Himachal Darshan. So let us today learn how to download and install Google Docs file application in our Androids. Google Docs is an application of Play Store. We will download it from the Play Store of our Android. I'm going to download it. Please watch the video till end so that it's a good tutorial for this going to be a good tutorial of this application, so please watch it till end. Now let us start downloading this. For that we will go to the Play Store of our Android. Now in the search files we will write here Google Docs and we'll start downloading this. Now the downloading has been started. Google Docs is a wonderful application of uh, Play Store. It will serve the purpose of Microsoft Word of Windows, and if it is open office software, then for Writer. So Writer and Microsoft Word operations are done, work is done with the help of this application on our Android phone. So it is very simple. 1 million reviews are there for this application, and rating is, you can see it on the screen, 4.3 rating is there. It will take a few seconds to download this file, just a file of 33 MBs, and moreover it is free of cost. It is an application of Play Store. We need not to pay extra money for this, and we can do wonderful jobs with the help of this lovely application. We can serve it can serve the purpose of our Microsoft Windows, where paid window is paid and Microsoft is a suite of that. In open office software, in schools, in educational systems nowadays, uh, open office software is working. So its writers, its suite of open office .org suite, there is writer to type text document of data. So this text type of and documents can be prepared on the Android with the help of this application. Now it is almost downloaded, 67% has been completed. Please watch the video till end. After downloading and installing on the system, we will discuss how it works, how we can create our documents, we can change the font of our document, we can edit, create anywhere, anytime, work together when your schedule allows you. This is an handy device, you can keep it in your pocket and do your work whenever and at any place. So it is a freeware application downloaded from the Play Store, about to download. After downloading, it will be installed on the computer. Then I will tell you, then we will discuss in this video how this works, how we can create our document, can beautify our document by adding different effects, different styles, changing the fonts, and all these operation whatever we can do in the Microsoft Word or in Writer with the text type of document. So download is about to complete. So watching this video simultaneously, you can download this and make your Android handy device most effective. It is an application of Play Store for all the mobiles. We will not go for the Google search engine. to download this file, but it will be downloaded from the Play Store of your mobile. Now it has been downloaded and getting installing on my Android. A few seconds more it will take to install on the system on the Android. Now the installation has been done. Now scanning is going on. Same procedure you will observe on your Androids. This is the icon of this application. Now it has been installed on my computer on my Android. So now we have learned how this has been done. Now let us start how to work with this application. Now it has been installed, downloaded, then installed. Now down below there is one plus sign. We will touch this plus sign. Now three options appear there. Choose template, new word file, and new document file. When we will choose new templates, choose templates. So ready-made templates are there. These are to resume. If we want to create a resume, ready-made package is there. We can make editing in this. Along with that, some letters are there. So if we can change this, we can make editing. These are the ready-made templates in this. Okay, so this way we will drag this and create a, when these two dots appear, we can make editing here like this. So this way we can edit in the templates. Some other templates, ready-made templates, here are some letters, so resume can be created or edited. But now if we want to go for second option there is, after template it is new word file. Now I want to create a new word file. Now we can see that it is a screen of Microsoft Word, similar to that of Microsoft Word. If I want to write something in bold, then what I will do, I will press the B here. B means bold. The data which I will type, that will appear in bold form, somewhat darker. Suppose I am going to write I study computer. I want to write this. Okay, I can change the form italic. For that also I have to select, I will keep it here, or in next line I am going to write I like computers, I study computer applications, like this. If I want to underline this, then I will press U. Now italic, U, bold, all are appearing on my screen. If I want to change the color of the pencil, then I will press on A and select the color of my choice and will start writing with that color. Now after that, similarly, so there are other colors also. I can change these colors like this, right? So after this, if I want to give alignments, now see there are 4 alignments. Left alignment, by default the alignment is left alignment. Then is center alignment. The data whatever is typed will appear in the center. Then is left alignment, center alignment, then right alignment, and last one is the justified. After that, bullets are there, as we do in MS Word or Writer. The same bullets we can appear. If I am writing here something and I want to go it on next line, then I will change the color of the pencil, and So like this, I don't want the italic also. I will write in the simple form. Now let us, so down below we have seen this application B, I, U and different formats, alignments. Now above also on the screen there is redo and undo. Redo button for skipping the redo and undo to cancel the last operated operation. Then after that, where A is written, I will touch this and different operation, different effects have been appeared on the screen. So headings, styles I can add. Similarly here I can change the font. At this time it is at font, I can change it from here. I will press the A and we select the font. I can change the font of my data. This way I can change the font. I need not to give bullets. I just want to type. So whenever I want to type some font is here. This way I can decrease the font, and by pressing this arrow I can increase the font. So we will observe this on the screen. I have increased the font. Now it is appearing in, the font has been increased. I can decrease the font also. So to add mathematical symbols, I will press this, okay, upper stroke, and this is for lower stroke. For example, I have to write x square, a square plus b square. Then I will select this a square plus b square within bracket. Then I will give the power 2. I will select this option. Whatever option I have to select that get appears on the screen, power 2 I am going to write here. So this way we can write the mathematical equations also. So a wonderful application. It serves the purpose of Microsoft Word. Even we can add pictures also. Images can also be added to this mm, eh, this application. Now see on the top some three dots are there. We can open the various operation. We can see, we can take the print layout. So other options are suggest change, document outlining, find and replace, page setup, word count, share and export. We can share it with the, when I will press this, different, send a copy where I want to send this copy, on the WhatsApp, on YouTube, on other media. So this way, this is a good tutorial of understanding the docs application. Wonderful application. I hope you must have enjoyed the video and have learned a lot. Now I hope everyone will beneficial by this application. So keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe the channel. That's all for this video. In next video we will meet with some other application.